welcome back to my channel. Today I have this look for you in collaboration with Queenii. She also did a violet look that's going to be a little bit more intense and dramatic. I want to stay a little true to what I bring to YouTube, and that is more of these really natural looks, but I wanted to bump it up a bit by applying glitter, a cut crease, and a very smoky dramatic eyeliner. I hope you guys will enjoy this. If visiting me from Queenii's channel, hi and welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video enough to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and keep watching. To start off, I'm going to do my eyes first. This way any fallout will be easily cleaned away. To take some tape, because I want this edge to be super sharp, tape is going to help you. If you have shadow shields, you can use those. So I'm going to pretend that my lash line extends out this way. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Shadow Insurance by Too Faced. This is an eyeshadow primer, and you want to always apply a base when you're going to be using vibrant colors, or even if you're one of those who feel like after a while you feel like your eyeshadow has moved, you definitely need to prime. Before moving on to my eyeliner, I'm going to use this eyeshadow from Melt Cosmetics. This is called Blur. It is the perfect base for my complexion. It's not too white, and it has that beigey, light brown undertone to it, so it's perfect for me. I'm going to use Unseen from Melt Cosmetics, and this is going to apply the definition back into my crease. As you can see, it's pretty monolid right now. It just goes from my lid to my brow bone. We want to put that definition right into here. I want to make sure everything is going to start right at that tape so that we have that nice sharp edge throughout the whole look. So I'm first applying the eyeshadow right here so that I get maximum color, and I want to softly bring it into my inner corners. So wherever you apply your brush when you first apply the eyeshadow is going to have the strongest color payoff. Okay, so that is basically phase one of defining your crease. Now we're going to go in with a lid color. This way we can start building up that eyeliner. So I'm going to use this concealer by Koki, and it is their Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. It's going to clean up this area right here. I'm not taking this all the way. Now I'm going to take this shade right here, and this is Harsh Stone White from Melt Cosmetics. And once I get to the center of my lid, I'm not taking this all the way down, keeping it mostly right on top of the center and closer to my lash line on the inner corner. So I'm going to take this really close to my lashes. It doesn't matter if you get it on your tape. Remember, you have created a barrier, so your line is going to be really straight. Now I'm going to take my black eyeshadow, and this is Dark Matter. Use this Makeup Forever Aqua XL color paint, and the shade is M90. Right at the edge, I'm just going to make sure that we smoke it out. I'm using this 35 Purple eyeshadow palette from Morphe. As you can see, it has every single violet shade you need for the year. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to intensify with the shade right here. Okay, so now that we have our eyeliner perfectly smoky, I want to define my crease. So for this, I'm going to mix these two eyeshadows. And I'm using my Morphe 514 brush. It's a super tapered crease brush, so it's going to help to give me a nice defined crease and not disperse the color too much. I'm going to set underneath my eyes using my Tarte Filtered Light Powder. As you can see, I slimmed out my nose. Now you guys can all run to your blog to talk about how I have Botox. You know who you are. I'm going to go in with these two eyeliners by Sephora. These pencils are seriously amazing, especially that their price point is crazy affordable. To really ensure that this really pops and stands out, I'm going to set it with this eyeshadow right here. So for my inner corner, I'm going to use this Too Faced eyeliner in Glitter Pop. The color is called Fairy Queen, and I'm just going to use this to outline that top crease. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara to my lower lash line. So I'm going to go in with this neutral blush, and this is Vigorous. It is a blush that I reach for way too much. So for my lips, I have a few options. The first one is going to be this one from Laura Mercier, and it's called Boss, and it's from her new Velour Extreme Matte lipsticks. And now I'm going to apply this on top. This is from Lancome, and it's one of their metallic gloss. My favorite option, I'm going to go in with Stila's liquid lipstick, and this is their Stay All Day liquid lipstick in Sheer Patina, and I'm going to line my lips with Marine lip liner from NARS Cosmetics. So this concludes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and that you found stuff in it that you can take out and apply to your makeup application, making it a lot easier. That is what I'm here for, to make this makeup journey easy, because it's something that I love and find extremely relaxing and fun, and I want to share that with you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head over to Queenii's video so that you can check hers out. And if you're here from Queenie, then thank you so much for joining and feeling like you wanted to see how I created my violet look for the year. So yeah, thank you so much, and till my next video, stay beautiful.